In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a short Sora video from a simple prompt. We're going to move from a blank browser to a finished AI-generated clip in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sora and press enter. You'll see several results. Look for the official Sora website. It should clearly indicate that it's the platform for generating AI videos from text. If you're unsure, choose the result that looks authoritative and up-to-date, and avoid anything that looks like an ad or a third-party imitation. Once you're on the Sora website, you'll find a text box or an input area where you can describe the video you want to create. This description is called your prompt. Think of the prompt as the director's notes for the AI. The clearer and more specific it is, the closer the result will match your vision. For this tutorial, enter the following prompt exactly as it's written. A POV jump from a cliff into bright blue water turns tense when a distant shark glides by, sending the swimmer racing back upward in a dramatic but safe underwater moment. This wording defines the camera perspective, the setting, the tone, and the outcome. Including dramatic but safe helps guide the mood while keeping the content appropriate. Before you generate, look for the settings option, often shown as a gear icon. Click it to adjust key options, find the duration setting, and select either 10 seconds or 15 seconds. 10 seconds is great for a punchy concept or a quick loop, while 15 seconds gives the scene a little more breathing room for the tension and resolution to come through. If you're testing ideas or working on a slow connection, shorter durations can render faster. With your prompt in place and the duration set, click Create Video or the similarly labeled button on the page. The system will begin processing. This can take a bit, depending on server load and the complexity of your prompt. Keep the tab open, avoid refreshing the page, and let it complete. When it's done, the preview will appear so you can watch your underwater moment unfold from that first-person perspective. That's it. You've gone from a written idea to an AI-generated video using a simple, precise prompt and a quick duration choice. If you like the result, you're all set. If you want a different feel next time, remember that small tweaks to wording and duration can make a big difference in pacing and tone.